Today's video tips for technicians, I'm going to show you a very common problem that you can find when you're out doing service work and you're working on a Trane heat pump package unit. This is a 2.5 ton heat pump package unit, and we've got an intermittent failure of a relay that controls the indoor fan motor. Let me show you the relay. This right here is the relay, and it's built with a control board connected to this normally open relay, and it's got this board to basically provide the indoor fan motor with a time delay. That's a great feature, but this board is very common failure point. I'm sorry, not board, but basically time delay relay. Okay, so here is a 9340 relay, and this is what I'm going to replace this little time delay relay, indoor fan relay with. It's very easy to do. You're basically going to look at your schematic, and then you're going to wire for wire this. These are normally open set of contacts, so that's what I'll use for the high voltage going into the motor, and then this will be your coil here on the edge. So a 24 volt relay, and that's what this is, but it's got that board on there, and that's what provides that time delay. Anyway, I got everything wired. I'm fixing to turn it on. I just want to show you guys how I wired it. See there, common, green, orange, blue, that's a normally open set of contacts. You're just switching the voltage there, and then you got the high leg to the indoor fan motor on a normally open set of contacts, and then the line coming into it. Only wire you're not going to hook up on this is the red 24 volt wire. You no longer need it. 36B, that's what powered this time delay relay, and here is what you can use to wire that relay. See that? All right. Thanks. Anyways, if you find this package unit in the field, technicians, and you've got an indoor motor that's, you know, coming on sometimes and not coming on sometimes, and this right here will be your cause. Anyways, hope this video helps somebody know where to look, and if you have any questions about this relay, time delay relay, or this 9340 relay that I use to replace this part with, just leave a comment below, guys. Thanks for watching.